What's up, guys? I changed my profile picture back to the first one because I didn't like the one just before. So yeah, and this is gonna be a really fast, quick clip, and I can yeah. So yeah, this is just a quick clip. So I changed my profile picture back, but seriously, I did not like I didn't. You can see right there my profile picture. Go to my profile link, like down when it says subscribe and everything. I'm just doing random stuff around it. I'm not a good drawer on computers. In real life, I'm a bit better than this. So I can just. I need a orange. I need a beak. I'm chicken now. I've turned into Chicken Man. I'm watching you. Okay, I'm just gonna rubble all of this out. Okay. So yeah, this is it here. So I'm white. The thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna. Are you ready for it? I'm on the moon. I'm on the moon. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to Dixon Gaming, the channel that you're watching, and make sure you don't miss a video by putting the notification bell. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Boom, 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 na, 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 dun. Okay, that's just Dennis's outro, but bye.